Welcome to another version of the Iron Horse Pulling Team. I thought I'd kind of give everybody a few updates. It seems like I've been doing a lot out in the shop, but it seems like I haven't been getting much done. Maybe because it took me 3 days just to clean the shop up. But as you can see, we're trying to dry fit the sheet metal here a little bit. We decided to go with the white hood and stuff. It's just hard to find good sheet metal, and wanted to find something that looked good on it. I've seen a few of these I like. So we're going to go with the white 2110 for now, and if something changes, we'll put something else on it. Really kind of wanted to go with a Challenger hood, like a 475 B, just something different than everybody else. And that's one thing nice about us Agco guys. We can put anything under there as long as it matches the engine and stuff. So that's kind of it for the tractor. We're still waiting on the rear end ring gear and pinion to come back from Llss tractor. Got all of our safety stuff in that we're supposed to have. Got my tubing there for my exhaust or my intake manifold, and I got my weld bins, all that stuff. Just kind of dry fit it up, seeing how it looks there. Been stripping the roll cage down with a wire wheel. Got the base all done here according to what they consider SFI standards. Hope I did everything correctly. If I don't, when I get to the first pull, I'm sure they'll tell me I didn't do something right. But it's turning out pretty good. One thing nice is whoever had it before me, it was not built SFI on the base. So we redid the base and made it to where like it's supposed to be, and they didn't use primer on it, so the spray paint's coming off really easy. So the cage is about ready to go on as soon as we get the ring gear and pinion back and get it all buffed out here and stripped here and get some primer on it. We got one of the tires sealed back up, had it broke down. I know that everybody knows this, it's been around pulling, but if you're not been around pulling, these rims only go together one way. Make sure you mark your holes. When I put all the silicone on, I thought I had them marked correctly and I didn't. And so the silicone's drying and you're trying to get all the bolts in it, and you can imagine it was frustrating 10 minutes trying to get all that working out. One thing I did change, something came up this week and I was able to get some parts here. Now if you look here, here's our old adapter plate here. If anybody needs one, this one's for sale. I got it marked at half price because I did trim it up a little bit. This is for a custom floaters bell housing. And you can only use their bell housing. That's it. So, but even the pro bells, you can only use a bell housing that's made for these Cummings. The reason I swapped it out is I got a deal, and that's all. I'm always looking for a deal. And I ended up picking up Pro Bell's complete setup here from a truck guy. He was going to a bigger truck or a bigger flywheel. I got 11-inch 12-stand Molinari steel flywheel with it, and before I had starter issues with the clearance of the deal. These here are this flywheel or adapter plate's 2 inches narrower than that custom floaters one. So this one's only 20 inches wide. And as you can see, the starter fits right up against next to the block. So we should be good on that. And I do got another starter in case something happens to that one. So we've got all the stuff ordered from Hazley's. I got all the studs coming. The head gaskets, let's see, what else do we order? Oh, the cam bearings, to put all cam bearings in all the 7 journals. And like I said, the plan is to get the block to the machine shop as soon as I get it dry fitted here into the block or into the tractor to make the new brackets for the engine, since this plate's a little different. So hopefully that'll all work out. It'll come in and out a lot easier as one piece. That's one thing. It's I got to grind all my other brackets out and build new ones here. So one thing, another investment I made this week was I broke down and brought a wire welder, and I wish I would have done that a long time ago. Yes, it is a cheap Harbor Freight wire welder, but this little sucker welds good. For no more than I'm going to use it. I mean, you can call them throwaway welders or whatever. It is 215 amps. I have probably welded and stitched this whole base of this frame or this roll cage together. I'm happy with it. It'll weld stainless too if you got the right mix and everything. It's pretty easy settings. So like I said, I need to start building my intakes and all that stuff. So I was at Harbor Freight one day and they had this one on clearance, so I bought it. So, like I said, we're progressing. It seems like we've been working a lot out here, but like I said, it seems like we're working a lot, but we're not getting much done. But we'll get all this stuff taken back off, and we'll keep progressing, and hope everybody has a good summer. We'll talk to you later. Thank you. Bye.